Guys, this one delivers a premium feel that you notice the moment you put it on. The fabric feels soft, airy, and incredibly comfortable throughout the day. Its lightweight construction makes every movement feel effortless. A delicate sheer touch gives it a modern and elegant appearance. Friends, the overall design is simple but very well executed. The waistband sits smoothly without feeling too tight. It stays comfortably in place without constant adjustments. The breathable material helps maintain a fresh and relaxed feel. Even after long hours, it remains pleasant to wear. The stitching is clean and carefully finished. Every detail shows thoughtful craftsmanship and attention to quality. The fabric texture feels silky and refined against the skin. Nothing feels bulky or distracting. It creates a smooth look under a variety of outfits. The fit feels balanced and naturally flattering. It moves comfortably with your body all day long. The overall construction feels dependable and durable. The material keeps its shape beautifully with regular use. Friends, that's a feature that really adds value. The minimalist styling gives it a timeless charm. It looks polished without trying too hard. The elegant finish adds a subtle touch of sophistication. Everything feels carefully designed for everyday comfort. Style and practicality work together perfectly here. It's an excellent choice for anyone who appreciates quality essentials. Guys,